Have you wanted to automate part of your network marketing business? Are you like me where you've done the Facebook ads, you've done the funnels, you've done all of the things to try to get people to come to you and join your team, and you're kind of frustrated, maybe it worked a little bit, but not a whole lot? I want to talk to you today about the strategy that I have been able to implement that brings me in over $16,000 in personal sales every month and bringing in 5 to 7 business builders on autopilot or semi-autopilot, I would say, every single month. And it's my YouTube strategy. And so let me first share with you my little bit of my journey on how I got started in YouTube and what exactly it has done for me, right? So I got started on YouTube about 4 or 5 years ago, and it was kind of by accident because I was so frustrated with social media, the Facebook, Instagram algorithm, and trying to run ads and getting my ads shut down because, let's be honest, they hate network marketers. And I would put together these funnels, all of these things, and nothing was working. And so finally one day I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna move over to Pinterest because Pinterest is different and nobody's out there, right? No network marketers are really building on Pinterest the way that I wanted to build. And so I moved over to Pinterest, but the problem is I hate to write. I'm a video person at its core. I can make videos all day long, super easy, right? So I was paying somebody to write my blogs over on Pinterest so that I could get optimized. And my husband looked at me one day and he said, Julie, you're like the video person. Why are you not on YouTube? And YouTube was really, really scary to me for some reason. I don't know, Pinterest wasn't, but YouTube kind of gave me anxiety just thinking about it. But I started to, kind of mull over his suggestion, and I was like, you know what? He's right. I should be over on Pinterest. And so what happened is when I was doing my research, I figured out that there are thousands of people every single month that are searching for network marketing companies, how to join them, products, all of that. And so I was like, okay, I'm going to move over to Pinterest. Or YouTube, excuse me. I'm going to move over to YouTube. And so what happened is when I moved over to YouTube, I started to get these text messages that said, you've got a new customer. And I was like, oh, great. Now my Pinterest is working. And what I quickly realized that it was actually my YouTube video that was getting more and more and more views. And so what I want to do is I want to quickly outline for you a little bit about my YouTube strategy and how I've been able to do it. But if you want my free masterclass on how I use YouTube to grow my network marketing business almost on autopilot, basically, what I'm going to do is in the link below, in this description of this video, I'm going to link for you my free masterclass on how I recruit on autopilot, how I get sales on autopilot, so that can happen to you too, right? So I started putting out one piece of quality content every single week over on YouTube, like you're watching right over here, right? So my brand is I help network marketers build their business online through social media. And so my YouTube video has videos just like that here on this channel, right? Why do I do that? I do that because I want to provide value. I want to teach people how I've been able to have success. But at the same time, on this channel, you're also going to see that I talk a lot about the company that I'm with, the products, the flagship products, how to join, because it has helped me grow my network marketing company, right? And so I've got a strategy where I do about 50% of my content is generic content like you're seeing right over here that's going to help you grow your network marketing business. And then 50% of my content over on my YouTube channel is actually my products and my opportunity, right? Because at its core, YouTube is a search engine. And so because it's a search engine, what happens is people are specifically searching for your product, your flagship product of your company, how to join them. And let's be honest, there's very few people that are standing out in the YouTube space, in the Google space, right, that are using YouTube to grow their business. And so what happens is now I have become the face of my company's name because I've put out so many YouTube videos. Google's owned by YouTube. I go into all of this and how to figure out which videos to create inside of my masterclass. So definitely make sure that in the description of this video, you check out that free masterclass that I have for you on how I've been able to build my business because of YouTube and generate the sales that I do and the team builders. And so what's happened is because of putting out one quality piece of content every single day, I am able to grow my network marketing business. I get messages over on Facebook, I get emails, I get people through my funnel that want to work with me because of the videos that they have seen over on YouTube, and it's been a game changer. So the days of like being a spammy person and sending out a ton of messages doesn't happen for me. And I can tell you that me personally, I have hit the top ranks of my company. My team does millions of dollars of sales every single year, and it's been truly life-changing for me to have built my business all on YouTube. I've recruited some of my best friends because of my YouTube videos, and I've brought in some of my, strongest legs and my strongest leaders because of my YouTube videos. So if you're looking to kind of branch out from Facebook or Instagram, I strongly recommend that you check out YouTube to grow your network marketing business, because quite honestly, it's going to help you build your business on autopilot, right? Like it has done for me. And I want that for all network marketers, because it truly is a dream come true in so many ways. And so, like I said, in the description of this video, I have got for you my free masterclass. Definitely make sure you check it out. What I will do is I will link for you another YouTube video that I've made that is going to teach you how a little bit more in depth, a little bit more knowledge on YouTube as well. I will link it right over here for you so that you can check that out as well. But basically my strategy is very simple. I put out one piece of quality content. My videos are between 8 to 10 minutes piece. Typically, I create a great thumbnail. I make sure that it's well optimized, and that is my YouTube strategy. It's been my YouTube strategy for many, many years, and it is foolproof. So even on those days that I don't feel like showing up on social media, I don't need to, because I know that my YouTube is giving me views while I snooze on autopilot. And so definitely make sure, if you're building a network marketing business and you are wanting to learn YouTube, you're wanting to learn social media strategies, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any of the episodes that I put out there. Whether you're with my company or not with my company, it doesn't matter. I hope to provide as much value as I possibly can to my audience of network marketers to help them grow their business to the top. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out of another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.